Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Today's video I will show you how to remove Dell monitor stand from the monitor. So stay tuned. When you move the monitor from one place to another or take it to a monitor service center, it is very difficult to take it with the stand. In situations like this, we have to take the stand down. First of all, we will lay down it a plain surface, look like that, and we will remove from back part. We need a screwdriver or something look like this for punch on the lock, and we will press and it will remove easily. Here you see the lock, just press and it will remove. Just press and we will insert look like this, and after doing that we will set on the back part of the monitor. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.